Welcome to our next video. In our last video, we were in Ireland. We had just arrived and we went to see a sheepdog demonstration, which was really cool. But in this week's video, we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to follow those sheep. We're going to go see how Guinness is made. And we signed up for a Connoisseur experience. The Connoisseur experience is you pay a little bit extra and they give you a whole history of Guinness, and they give you a tasting of 3 or 4 different beers. And to finish it off, you get to pour your own Guinness right there at Guinness. Really good time. So first thing you have to do is get checked in, and we're going to start doing that right now in the video. And hope you guys enjoy it. We sure had a heck of a good time. Hello. Yeah, I can do that.
Join us here in the centre if you're just alighting from the escalator. There's plenty of room on either side.
Guys, just step in a bit, please. There we go. Perfect. Thank you. Guys, come on in a bit. No. I think that was making it. Don't look at it. I'm leaning on you, I'm okay. Barley, water,
Hops. One more ingredient. Fire. 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 Keep off the barley water. I just wanted to jump in here and say that the Guinness tour is a self-guided tour, and the pace is whatever the pace is you want to make of it. So we just kind of walked through and checked out what we thought was cool and passed on the things we didn't, and this was our experience. So what do you think of the signage so far?
The experience is really fun.
This is cool around the corner here. That's a proper pint. You see all the individual nozzles at the top, all with an electromagnetic valve. There you go. Behind it? No. That's a concrete wall. Yeah. Right here.
So these are...
Shan says these are acrylic letters.
Internally illuminated.
Very cool.
This one is individual.
Roasting. Oh, yes, there will actually. Check this out.
$1.96.
Tell her about the mill.
Oh.
Here at St. James's Gate, we've been working with Irish barley farmers.
Beth, talk us through the mill.
This is the mill. There's, when we were on the Isle of Islay, each whiskey brewing place had one of these mills. Same kind, same manufacturer, same guy fixes them. And now we've seen them, I don't know in how many different places.
And they're very important.
They all say it's the only way to roast your hops.
Not roast.
Roast.
Crack.
Crack.
Crack your
hops,
barley.
Barley. So this is what they squish it.
There's big rollers. There's big rollers in here.
Yeah.
And they're close together. Does that open? Do we get an open?
No. It's locked.
Turn this turn. Well, this would turn inside. That's where the rollers are. Up at the top, up here, is where the grain stop comes in. Down at the bottom is where it comes out. And they would adjust it. They would adjust the rollers to get the right crack.
Huh?
If you don't get the barley cracked right, it doesn't ferment correctly. Very important mills.
Ooh, we got a neon sign now.
Now, what temperature?
232.
Very important. What's that temperature?
232.
232. Is that Fahrenheit or Celsius?
Over the years, we perfected the art of
Throughout the room. It's heat.
This room's about heat and fire, right?
We roast at exactly 232 degrees. Any higher, the barley catches fire. Any lower, the beer won't develop its unique character.
So here it is. Here's the whole thing. Right?
Yeah. Ingredients, milling, mashing, separation, boiling, cooling, fermentation, maturation, clarification, packaging.
Yeah, you have to boil it, right?
Yeah.
You can't ferment it if it's too warm.
Right. Number 11 is the most important part.
Number 11, most important.
Number 11. Most important.
Enjoy. These are the voyages. It's vibrating. It's great. That's cool.
Okay.
Sure.
So what are you learning, Mark?
Stuff. I learned stuff about beer.
Okay.
And there's pictures of making beer. Because you need to have photographers to make beer. Pretty impressive.
Don't forget hot.
Get underneath one of the columns that's steaming.
Okay. This is your first time here? Hello everybody, there at the back, keep pushing into the room there please. We'll get everybody in, I'll explain exactly what we're doing. Next one. This is my personal favourite, since you're asking, guys. It's also the odd one out, in a manner of speaking. What I mean by that is, guys, the other three are physical ingredients we put into the beer. This is an aroma that escapes the beer during the fermentation process. That's where we add yeast. And since our yeast strain smells like butterscotch, toffee, caramel, dark, rich sweets, that's what we're getting right here. This is the good stuff. This is the good stuff, guys. Ingredient we have to import. Absolutely everything else is grown in Ireland. The issue with hops are you need a minimum of 106 days of direct sunlight to grow. Do you reckon we get that in Ireland? No, we don't. So now we're getting hops from where you guys come from. Places like Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Czech Republic, Kent in the UK, and of course the United States, right? But my friends, this is the aroma, most synonymous with Guinness. This is roasted barley. Guys, we are the largest beer brewer on planet Earth who roast their barley on the premises, at the site. The technique we use to roast barley is the exact same technique a master chocolatier would use to roast cocoa beans, or a coffee roaster to roast coffee, same thing. Meaning, while we're roasting away at our barley, we're picking up a lot of the same flavours and aromas of coffee and dark chocolate. Not bad. Okay, all four of these components join forces to give us Guinness. Now in a moment, you're going to approach the bar, you're going to take a sample of Guinness, and you're going to use that sample for the guided tasting next door. So don't drink it here. It's very difficult to participate in the beer tasting without any beer to taste, okay? Now guys, while we've been chatting, the boys behind the bar have been pouring you some samples. Do me a favour, give them a round of applause, please. Thank you. Now, before you come to the bar, if you're under the age of 18, don't bother, okay? No Guinness for you. If you're under the age of 25, you might be asked ID. If we ask your ID, company policy, we're just doing our jobs, please don't be offended. If we don't ask your ID, don't be offended, okay? Guys, don't drink it here. So grab your sample, and then there's automatic doors each side of the bar. Whichever one you want goes to the same room. So thank you very, very much for your attention. Up you go, grab your sample, and into the next room. Thank you.
Welcome to the bubble chamber, guys. Feeling free to place your glass on the pillar before I start for keeping your beer fresh and don't warm up. Also, it's a nice spot to take a picture, put in your Instagram and Facebook, hashtag Guinness Tasting Experts. No worries, take your time. Take a picture, put in your Instagram and Facebook, hashtag Guinness Tasting Experts.
Yes, it's sponsored.
As the logo company. So guys, before you taste your Guinness, I would like to advise you one thing. Never zip your Guinness. Because when you zip your Guinness, it just feel the foam. And it's not so good, really good taste. Okay? So I will guide you how to do this now. So first take your glass, hold under your nose and have a nice inhale. And take in all the aromas from the previous room. You can feel sweetness from the front, from the malt barley, roast from the sides, and a dry bitter finish here from the hops, a little
What'd you get?
But don't worry if you don't get it. You have your second chance
like
to
Guinness?
the bar. You can try again how many times you want. So guys, before you finish your glass, I would like to ask if someone here knows how to say cheers in Irish. Exactly, it's like slancha cha cha cha. Means good health. So let's raise your glass. In the count of three, let's body say together slancha. 3, 2, 1. Slancha. Amazing, guys. You can finish your glass now. So I know this glass is cute, adorable. People say it's convenient pocket size, but please don't do that, guys. This belongs to the house of Guinness, not your house. When you finish your glass, please place on my right here in the gold tray and free to go to level number 3. Enjoy, guys.
There you go. It's there. Who's hiding behind my beer? Brilliant. Thanks. Cheers. Winner, winner, oyster dinner.
Look at it, has a heart. It's very cold.
There you go, Shannon. You want some whiskey to go with that?
What is with the Guinness?
I got this too.
Oh, okay, I see. So there's mash on top.
Uh-huh.
Is it in the shape of a heart too?
Yeah. Watch out, Mark.
Thank you.
She just said yeah.
Nice, fantastic.
Well poured.
You're right. She's going to handle all the way down.
You want to get mine too?
Yeah, sure.
Now, so you know you're getting first class. Watch
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Real nice, yeah. Right there. Oh, good. Yeah, that's perfect. That's all good. Lovely stuff. Set it up in front. Oh, good paddle. Lovely stuff. We'll let that one settle out.
That's good. Thanks.
It's on the fifth. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Right, yo. Guys here in the middle, I might get you folks to go next and then we'll kind of move outwards.
Well played.
Good job, Kim.
Thank you.
This one's good as well. I got
Works for it. Yeah. What is she studying?
There you go. Bring that handle all the way down.
I just read that international people can come to Norway and study for free. They're just changed that. Yeah. That's great. How long are you in Ireland? Oh, that's too short. Everything else.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, lovely.
So here we are at the Guinness storehouse. We just took our beer tour and we're up here having our pint. Complimentary pint with Pim.
Yes.
You don't have to have it with Pim, but with Pim was nice. I know it's very loud in here, so we're just going to wrap this one and say until next time, we'll see you
Up and down the road.